let's be real. Who doesn't love free money? Especially when it comes to Bitcoin, which, let's be honest, has been kind of killing it lately. More and more people are jumping into the crypto game, trying to grab their share of this digital gold rush. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. In this video, we're diving deep into the 5 absolute best ways to earn Bitcoin in 2024, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. We're talking about strategies for complete beginners, side hustles for extra cash, and even some more advanced techniques for those of you ready to level up your crypto game. Whether you're just trying to stack a little extra Bitcoin on the side or looking to build a crypto empire, this video has got you covered. We'll break down each method, talk about the pros and cons, and give you the knowledge you need to make the best choices for your own financial journey. Let's get it. All right, let's kick things off with the OG method of earning Bitcoin mining. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't Bitcoin mining just for tech geniuses with warehouses full of expensive computers? And yeah, a few years ago you'd be right. But the game has changed, my friends. While it's true that Bitcoin mining used to be as simple as running a program on your home computer, those days are long gone. The Bitcoin network has grown exponentially and the difficulty of mining has skyrocketed. We're talking serious competition here, folks, with massive mining farms packing some insane computing power. So, does that mean you, the average person, can't mine Bitcoin anymore? Not necessarily. See, while solo mining might be out of reach for most of us, there's another way: cloud mining. This is where things get interesting. Cloud mining companies let you basically rent out their mining hardware. You're essentially buying a piece of their hashing power, which is the computing power needed to solve those complex Bitcoin algorithms. The best part? You don't have to deal with any of the headaches of traditional mining, no noisy heat-generating rigs in your basement, no constant maintenance, and no massive electricity bills. Instead, you just sign up with a reputable cloud mining provider, choose your desired hashing power, and boom, you're officially a Bitcoin miner. Of course, it's essential to do your research, compare different providers, and understand the fees involved. But hey, with a little bit of effort, you can still join the ranks of Bitcoin miners and earn those sweet, sweet Satoshis. Just remember, this is a long-term game and patience is key. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes the best things in life are free. And that's where Bitcoin faucets come in. Think of them like those little prize machines you find at arcades. Except instead of plastic toys, you're getting actual Bitcoin. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Now, I'm not going to lie, you're not going to get rich quick with Bitcoin faucets. These are micro earnings, my friends. We're talking fractions of a Bitcoin. But hey, every Satoshi counts, and it's a super low-risk, beginner-friendly way to dip your toes into the world of crypto. So, how do the Bitcoin faucets actually work? It's pretty simple. You sign up on a faucet website or app, and they'll give you small tasks to complete. These tasks could be anything from watching a short video or ad to clicking on a few links, or even filling out a quick survey. Once you've completed the task, boom, you get rewarded with a tiny amount of Bitcoin, which is sent directly to your Bitcoin wallet. Now, the key here is to find legitimate and trustworthy faucets. There are a ton of scammy sites out there, so make sure you do your research and read reviews before handing over any personal information. Also, keep in mind that most faucets have a minimum withdrawal limit. So, you'll need to be patient and keep grinding until you've accumulated enough Bitcoin to cash out. But hey, who knows? Those small amounts could add up over time, especially if Bitcoin's price continues to rise. Chapter 3: Bitcoin Staking and Lending. Turn your Bitcoin into a money-making machine. All right. Let's talk about putting your Bitcoin to work for you and generating some passive income. Now, you might have heard about staking and lending in the crypto world, and while they're more common with other cryptocurrencies, you can actually do it with Bitcoin too. First up, let's break down Bitcoin staking. Now, Bitcoin itself doesn't technically have a staking mechanism like some other cryptos, but here's the workaround. You can wrap your Bitcoin on a different blockchain, like Ethereum, using something called a wrapped Bitcoin token. These wrapped tokens represent your Bitcoin on another network. And here's the cool part. You can then use these tokens to participate in decentralized finance or DeFi applications. We're talking about lending platforms, liquidity pools, and other DeFi protocols, where you can earn interest on your wrapped Bitcoin. Now, onto Bitcoin lending. This is pretty straightforward. You lend out your Bitcoin to borrowers through a platform, and they pay you interest on the loan. It's like being your own little Bitcoin bank. Of course, as with any lending platform, there are risks involved. You need to choose a reputable platform with a solid track record and make sure you understand the terms and conditions, interest rates, and any potential fees. But hey, if you're looking for a way to generate some passive income with your Bitcoin, staking and lending could be worth exploring. Chapter 4. Bitcoin Affiliate Programs. Share the Bitcoin love, reap the rewards. All right, if you're a natural-born hustler with a knack for marketing, then this next method is right up your alley. Bitcoin Affiliate Programs. Think of it like being a brand ambassador for your favorite crypto companies and services. Here's the deal. Tons of companies in the crypto space offer affiliate programs where you can earn Bitcoin by referring new customers their way. It's a win-win situation. They get more business, and you get a sweet commission in Bitcoin for every successful referral. Now, these programs are everywhere, from crypto exchanges to wallet providers to educational platforms. All you got to do is find a program that aligns with your interests, sign up, and start promoting your unique referral link. You can share it on your social media, your website, your blog, or even just through good old-fashioned word of mouth. The more people you refer, the more Bitcoin you earn. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine. Don't just spam your link everywhere. Instead, focus on providing valuable content and recommendations to your audience. If people trust you and your recommendations, they'll be more likely to use your referral link, and you'll reap the Bitcoin rewards. It's a great way to monetize your existing audience or build a new one around your passion for crypto. Chapter 5. Freelancing for Bitcoin payments. Get paid in Bitcoin for your skills. Let's be real, the future of work is changing, and getting paid in Bitcoin is becoming more and more common. That's where freelancing for Bitcoin payments comes in. If you've got skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or anything in between, you can find clients willing to pay you in Bitcoin. Think about it. You get to set your own rates, work from anywhere in the world, and get paid in one of the most valuable assets on the planet. Not a bad gig, right? Now, there are tons of platforms out there that connect freelancers with clients looking for Bitcoin payments. Websites like XBTF Freelancer, CryptoGrind, and even traditional freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to list your services and specify Bitcoin as your preferred payment method. The key is to market yourself effectively, highlight your skills, and build a strong portfolio that showcases your expertise. And hey, here's a pro tip. Consider offering a discount for clients who pay in Bitcoin. It could give you a competitive edge and attract more Bitcoin-savvy clients. Outro, level up your Bitcoin game and crush your financial goals. So there you have it, folks. 5 epic ways to earn Bitcoin in 2024. No matter your experience level or risk tolerance, from the OG methods like mining to the more passive approaches like staking and lending, there's a strategy out there for everyone. Remember, diversifying your income streams is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Experiment with different methods, see what works best for you, and always stay informed about the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. The future of finance is here, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start earning that Bitcoin, and take control of your financial future.